Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Account Study for 11. So how you all are doing? I hope you're staying at home, not stepping out of your house. So with that note, let's begin with our learning. Before I begin with my video, I just want to remind you some of the important things. Before we get into the practical problems, firstly we are going to study some important terms, important definitions that are going to be used in your practical problems while solving. So you should not face any difficulty or understanding the term, what it is while solving the problem. Firstly, we are going to discuss these important terms in my first 2-3 videos. And if you will not watch these first 2-3 videos, you will not understand any of my practical problems while I am solving with you. So while I teach you these terms, you should get to know that these terms are going to be used in your practical problems. Okay? So let's begin with the first important term, that is an account. What is an account? It is a process of recording all financial transactions. Okay? Previously what people used to do, they used to record their all financial transactions in a book, which is called as bookkeeping accountancy. They used to record all their transactions into a book. But as you can see that technology has taken a vast revolution. People are recording their financial transactions electronically, that is by using a software. So by using a software, their lives were made easier to keep all these records for a prolonged period. Previously people used to maintain the records, but it was very difficult to keep it for a long period. And our memory, we know how long it can go, but we cannot remember all of our financial records. That is why this account is created in an electronic way today. So you must have got a question, what is a financial transactions, how the process goes on. It is a process, it is an event related to money. Let's take an example of a shopkeeper and customer. Let be you a customer and I be a shopkeeper. If you buy a product from me, in exchange I will demand something from you, that is money. This event that is happening between you and me, that is the customer and the shopkeeper, this event is called as financial transaction. I hope you got this term, financial transaction. So let's move on to the next process. Another example of financial transaction I can give you of a bank. Bank entirely consists of all the financial transactions like depositing money into bank, withdrawing money from the bank, etc. Let's move on to the next point, that is types of account. The very first type of account is personal account. Personal account is related to a person who goes to the bank and opens his own account. Example like Mr. Ramesh, Mr. Suresh and many more. The second type of account is real account. This account is related to the property of the company. Now this real account is classified into two categories. First category is tangible real account. Second category is intangible real account. Let's discuss about the first category, that is tangible real account. Tangible real account has a physical existence, that is we can touch it by our hands. For example, building, cash, stationery, etc. Now let's move on to the second category, that is intangible real account. Intangible real account does not have physical existence, that is we cannot touch it with our hands. Examples of these are copyright, patent, trademark, etc. Now the third type of account is nominal account. This account is related to the profit and loss of a company. Examples of nominal account are wages, rent, salary, commission, etc. So here it comes to an end of today's session. I hope you understood what I explained you today. If you still have any query regarding this video, please feel free to comment down in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to click on the bell icon for every notification you get while I post my new video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. And one precautionary measure I would like to keep: while stepping out, always put on a mask and sanitize. Till then, goodbye.